Got the slides on today. Living the country way. Donaldsonville, Georgia, on the bow line. My favorite line in the area. Under the pecan trees, next to Rody's, the Rody's gas station truck stop. We've got one coming on the bow line from the east to the west, and we're gonna catch it in about 2 seconds. I just saw a field mouse run across the field, or a chipmunk, I'm not sure which. Alright, 10 cars at the end, usually as always, on the bow line, hanging out with Fire Larry, my dad, on a beautiful weekend. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see ya.